Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and enjoying my YouTube beauty videos. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. Unwanted hair is a common problem for women. There are multiple solutions available in the market, but the solution which I am going to show you today is very easy to make and it give you instant and effective result. But before we do that, please like, share and comment on my videos and subscribe to my channel. So today we will make a sugar wax to remove unwanted hair. To make a sugar wax, we need a 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon water. So again I am repeating, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup lemon juice and 1/4 cup water, and mix this very well, all the ingredients, and we have to heat it up on a medium to high heat for 10 minutes. So as you can see, now it's boiling, but it's not ready yet. We have to boil it for some more time. So now you can see the color is changed, it became brown, and now we will check our sugar wax is ready or not. We will drop into the cold water and just take it out and feel it. If it's soft like this, then the sugar wax is ready. If it's hard, then your sugar wax is boiled for too much, and if it's so soft, then you have to boil it for some more time. But now my sugar wax is ready. So now our sugar wax is ready. We will pour it in another container or vessel. And now we have to keep it for 10 minutes and completely cool down. So now we will put this container in a cold water so that it cool down quickly. So as you can see, now our sugar wax is ready. After it cooled down, it looks like this. And just take 1 spoon of in your hand . Make your head wet, and we have to knead it for 5 minutes like this. Keep pulling it. It will turn its color into golden color like this. Knead it for 5 minutes and make it soft. So as you can see, now color is changed. Still we have to knead little bit more until it's flexible and soft. So as you can see, now our sugar wax is soft and flexible. It's ready to use. And now I will show you on my legs. Just apply with your full pressure. I will show you again. So as I show you, the sugar wax is very easy to make it and use it. So what are we waiting for? Please try this DIY sugar wax at your home and share your result in the comment section below. Please like, share and comment on my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.